please.
Question from a verse of the Holy Quran. It's Surah 17, verse 59.
Surah 17?
Yes, 17:59, yes. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem.
Do you know it?
Yes, I asked her if she is going to ask. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Wa in min qaryatin illa nahnu muhlikuha qabla yawmil qiyamati aw mu'azzibuha azaban shadida kana zalika fil kitabi mastura. There is not a township, but we shall destroy it before the day of resurrection, or punish it with a severe punishment that is written down in the book.
What does it mean? There's not any township which will be destroyed before the day of resurrection.
What?
What does it mean that there's not a township?
Have you read the history of World War II and what happened to Germany?
I don't care.
Now you remember?
Yeah.
Perhaps there was not a single township left without being destroyed. And almost the same thing happened to England and to many other townships in Russia. So this is the story is being unraveled again and again. And people, they do not take their lessons. Thank you. Please. And again, remember the second part. Those who will not be destroyed, they will be punished. Azab means they join the pain of other townships because they are of them. They belong to them. So if some townships are left untouched, the people suffer. And during such periods as wars, they do suffer exceptionally. So, in a way you can say in the whole world, no township is left during such world wars which does not suffer. In India, for instance, although the war was not fought directly, but every township suffered because of the wars. So this was universal. It happened everywhere. See? So the language of the Quran is very, what should we say, comprehensive. Doesn't leave anything out.